Magandang hapon po ng Thursday, August 15, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 15, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 15, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for Thursday, August 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 15, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.